everyone, how are you? Previously, Judy, who follows me on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook page, asked me how to put flamenco makeup for performance, or you can also put for you to go out and Spanish birthday and failure. Thank you for following me, Judy. Mwah. My name is ASAMI. I am a professional flamenco dancer based in Spain. Teachers, choreographer, and video creator. So at the end of the video, you will know how to put flamenco makeup for performance and what to buy. If you want to know about flamenco and culture lifestyle in Spain, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss much. You don't miss my video. I always forget that. And the secret of flamenco is to understand flamenco.
Okay, so I firstly put foundation after putting moisturizers, and I use a MAC one. I really like MAC foundation because it's natural and it stays perfect, especially when you sweat in the summer. Now I use angled brush, little one, and then I draw and color eyebrows. By the way, you have to take pictures and tag me on Facebook and Instagram and show me how you look like and how you get on. Now I use my finger and put highlight a layer eyeshadows, bright color, golden, sort of shinies. Then now I put dark eyeshadow, dark purple, around the eyelids. Then mix with a brush. Use a pencil eyeliner, dark black. Then I put dark black eyeshadow around eyelids, sort of blended with the purple and dark one, so that it kind of like get the smoky, nice look, flamenco eyes. And fix a little bit more eyebrows and yes. Do I look okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit more of dark color. It's important to put makeup a little by little, because otherwise you put the strong makeup and it looks not natural. So I got natural and natural and natural gradually, and if I want to put, especially for the performance or night out, I put more. Fix it at the end. Okay, so final one. Now eyelash colors. And of course, mascara. And I put brush and cheek and a powder. And things you cannot forget about a Spanish look is a red lipstick. First I use a pencil and then fill with lipsticks. I think that's it. I put a little bit of cream and the spray, so that's my hair stays. Do you like it?
Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand how to put makeup. It's easy, simple, it's not too much. And make some comments if you have any questions and if you want me to do another video with what. I'm gonna do a bulerias more explaining about how they exist as well, except even no? Because I had a Q&A question, so I'm gonna answer it. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'm on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. See you next time. Adios. Mwah.